Alright, so we got an update here at 9:15 Sunday night. Ice packed on top of snow. Freezing rain on the bush. Look at the car. Frozen solid. Good thing I'll have to get it in my car because I couldn't be able to open it. Oh, hey Andy. How you doing? So Andy was running his mouth all week about how it was going to be catastrophic and how I wasn't even going to be able to watch the first game of the conference championships, that it was going to be lights out for Noodles. Andy's got to be thinking right now, what do I have to do to get a power outage for Peters? He's like, how is this happening to me again? He does this with the Hurricanes, cheering it on, and then nothing happens. And now, this was a stone cold lock that this was going to cause widespread power outages. And look what is going on, boys. And it's not just Andy, it was these local loser meteorologists who were bumping their gums all week, excited about the destruction, talking about the like these losers, guys. Like even during the Broncos Bills game, this local meteorologist loser like interrupts the game and starts going, well, there's a little calm right now, but between 6 and 9 tonight, here comes that wave coming in. It's going to be freezing rain on contact, and this is what we've been talking about, guys. Reminded me a lot of the COVID cheerleaders. This guy was so amped up about tonight, like, oh, here we go, this is where all the outages are gonna happen. How's that working out? Well, let's see if it's lights out for Noodles. Oh, listen to that. You hear that? Oh, that's the heat working. Oh, wow. Oh, look, it's the fourth quarter of the game. On a TV. TVs work with plugs, electricity. Huh. Imagine that. I think I'll heat up my tea in the microwave. Microwaves work with plugs too and electricity. Huh. Imagine that. I think I'll play a record. Listen to a record. That works on a record player which has to be plugged in. That works with electricity. Huh. Imagine that. Yeah, watch a little more of the game here. Andy, I thought it was lights out for Noodles tonight. Power outage, huh? You just got AD'd.